Alright, so here we go. This is what Google Keep looks like. It's in the dark version. What we're going to do is we're going to create labels. Now you'll notice that I've got two green coding journal. They're called coding journal. They're labeled there at the top. And I'm going to create that label, and you'll see that there on the left. Now I made them green because I've got other stuff from other things, like see the list for the first day of school, all the things I have to cover. You can also change the color. Whatever I would do, I would keep it consistent. And what we're going to do is, if you use Google Keep often, you have these coding journals that you want to include quickly because you can actually see them in your Google Mail. Like, it's really fluid and easy to do. So I use Google Keep quite a bit. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a label. Now what I did is I created a coding journal, and you'll see over there coding journal was created. And so if I isolate just coding journal, those tags that I created, those labels, will basically keep them all situated when I press on the label. Now with Control A, what I can do is I can select all of it. Now if you're going to do this for a week, you would have 5 of them. When you push Control A, you then can copy to Google Docs. And then that little display is going to show in the lower left. It's got clipped a little bit there. And when you click on it, just give it a second, and it will create a Google Doc for you, labeled clearly. Those are just snippets from your syllabus. And once I push share, I can just go ahead and input the person that I want to share with, which would be me. You're going to use my William.Draper@Marcellus. And that way when you copy it inside submission in Schoology, all will be well, it'll be all set. Alright, so very useful. Google Keep is something I use all the time, and to be able to just isolate the ones that you want to copy to a Word document is a great skill.